Hi, this is Steve. You may know me as StepSR on Twitter and social media. And today I'm going to continue with the Creator Coding Series, Part 5, Make Me an Offer. So let's get started. So I already have a PowerShell window open. If you don't know how to do that, you can just go into the search bar, type in PowerShell, and launch it from there. I also have open, go back to my GitHub page at StepSR, and if we go to repositories, I've added in a couple new PowerShell scripts, one of them called NFTs in Collection and another one called Make Offers. We'll use the NFTs in Collection to get the launcher coin IDs, which we'll need to be able to make the offers. So I want to go ahead to the first one, NFTs in Collections first, and I'll download that zip file and just save it on my desktop. And then actually I might go back, and we'll need this in a minute anyway, so I'll just go ahead and download this zip file as well for Make Offers. Save that to my desktop too. I'll stay on this first script first because I'll show you how to run the script and stuff from here. So I'm going to minimize that. And first thing I want to do is, in order, well, I guess I better pull that out of the zip file. So let me do that. Let me grab the PowerShell script that I need out of there, copy it out, just paste it onto my desktop. And actually, I'll grab the Make Offers one as well, copy that out, put it on my desktop. But in order for this NFTs in Collection to run and get the launcher coin ID, I do need to give it a list of NFT IDs to start with. And so I'm going to run a couple commands that will help me figure that out. So if I run Chia Wallet show with the switch of W and NFT, that will show me all my NFT wallets. I will need to choose which fingerprint I want. For me, I want the one that's already selected, so I'm just going to highlight that. Right click will copy it to the clipboard. I'll hit 2 or just hit enter since it was already selected, and I can see that I only have one NFT wallet and its wallet ID is number 2, so I'll need to remember both my fingerprint and my wallet ID for the next command, which I can just run another Chia wallet, and then I want to do a listing of all my NFTs. I do need the fingerprint, which I copied before, so if I right click it'll paste it in. And then I do need that wallet ID, which was number 2. Let's just run it that way first. And you'll see you get a bunch of text back that has a lot of information about each NFT that's in your wallet, right? But I only really want, well, for this demonstration, I'm only gonna want the NFT identifier first. So if I just hit the up arrow on my keyboard, brings that last command in, and then I'm going to put in a pipe symbol which will feed that output into another command called select string. We'll put in NFT identifier, which is, it's going to single out just these lines. So that's what I want to do. You see this wallet has 4 NFTs in it, and I'm going to copy these lines out. Right click and copy them. Let's just Notepad++. Here. Paste those in. So Notepad++ is like a full text editor. So if you don't have that, it's a free application you can download, and it allows you to select in column by holding down the Alt key. So that's what I did, was held down, put the cursor at the top, held down the Alt key, and then drug with my mouse to highlight the characters. And if I cut them out, delete everything and paste them back in, then I just have in the IDs that I want. And go ahead and save this to my desktop as my NFT IDs. You can name it anything. That's just what I used. I can see the contents of that. Show you. So there's my file. So now to go back to this first script we downloaded, this one will it's going to pull in. Let's see, I wrote that out somewhere, didn't I? Yeah, output here. So it's gonna output the collection name, the launcher coin ID, the NFT ID, and an NFT name. I'm only going to want to create an offer for one or two of them, not all of them. But so this script is going to allow me to identify which NFTs I would really want to make an offer on, because I don't want to make an offer on all of them. If you did, you wouldn't necessarily need this script. You could probably go back to what we had done earlier and just select out the launcher coin IDs. So anyway, let's run the script. The way running the script is just from this command here. So I'll copy that to the clipboard. Go back. Let's clear the screen. Paste that in. And when I run it, it's going to ask me which blockchain I want to run against. I want to run against Chia. It's going to ask me which fingerprint. Remember, I wanted this second one, R2. It's going to ask me my input file. I want the NFT IDs that I had put in there. And my output file can just be output.txt. I can filter it by a collection name if I wanted to. I'm not going to on this one, so I'm just going to hit enter. And I chose a wallet that only has 4 NFTs in it, so it won't take too long. There we go. So now you can see it's created this output file. I'll open that up. And it's got, what did it do there? Did that do the right sequence? Oh, collection name. Yeah, so the collection name is first, and then the launcher coin. Okay, yeah, let me go to the front. So this is the collection name before the first comma, and then after the comma is the launcher coin. The launcher coin is ultimately what I'm going to need. Then it has the NFT ID that we gave it, and then after that is finally the name of the NFT. And I'm going to use these names of the NFT to figure out which ones I want to create an offer on. I think I'll just create an offer on the first and last. So this old Seed Snap, and one I picked up today from the Crypto Echo. And so I just need these launcher coins out of there, so I'm going to just get these two, and I want to get rid of blank lines. So I'll save that. That's now saved as output text, and all I have in there are the 2 launcher IDs for the NFTs, sorry, launcher coin IDs for the 2 NFTs that I want to create an offer for. All right, and that's this second script. So if I go back to GitHub and go back to the repository, and I look at this make offer script, this is basically, it's going to actually make the offer for me and then save. I'll be able to see it in my Chia GUI, but it'll also save the offer code out into a file as well. So I have already downloaded and saved it onto my desktop hard drive. So the script's already there. I just need to run it. To run the script is just a period / in the file name. So I'll copy that, paste that in, choose which blockchain I want. It's going to ask me a fee that I want to use in Mojos. This is what I usually do. Let me go to Dexy, and I go to recent trades usually, and I just base it on whatever this blockchain fee is. That's usually what I use. So 3 zeros and a 2 is probably what I'll do. Oh, that's not going to work. Sorry, let me redo that. So if you mess up like I just did, because I put in XCH instead of Mojos, you can do a Control-C to cancel the script. That's how I got out of it. And now if I hit the up arrow again, I can rerun the script and choose my blockchain again. And let's see. 12 minus 4 is 8. Yeah, I think that's right. Price and Mojos. So if I counted right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I think that will make it be one XCH. We'll view it and make sure before I do anything with it. Enter the folder. So the current folder is a period. So I'll just enter a period. Your file name with launcher coin IDs. I'll put text. You know what? Let me go back. I think I messed that up. Third time's a charm. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Folder. I'm going to call this, create a folder called offers. There we go. And then the output.txt was the file that I created that has the 2 launcher coin IDs in it. So I'll put that in. And then it's going to process through and create the offer files for me. So here's that folder. Open it up. There's two offer files in here. If I look at the contents of each of them, yeah, that's too easy. Let's see. I want to open it with Notepad. There we go. So here you can see there's a big long offer code. So let's verify if this works. So here's GUI. Yeah. So pasted it in. It did make it for 1 XCH. So all that worked. I'm not going to accept it. So there are my 2 offer files. I can do whatever I need to with them, and I can also see here that it created 2 for 1 XCH. And that's all there is to it. We'll process through each one. So if it's really convenient if you're making a collection and you have a bunch that you want to create offers for. It's pricing them all at the same price. So if you want to sell them all at the same price, then you can run this script and it'll go through and create all of them for you. And you could also, I'm not going to go over it in this video, but you could also use those actual offer files, these actual offer files here, with another script that I have created previously back under repositories, called this XD NFT gallery, and that will basically create a web page for the offer files and like make a nice pretty, I'll show you. Yeah, so this is one I created. So based on offer files, it took each of those offer files, went out and pulled information from the NFTs to build this web page based on that, where someone can come in, browse what's available. If they like this one, they can click on the offer file, it copies it to the clipboard, then they could go in and paste that into their Chia GUI. Actually, let's just do it. Paste it into their Chia GUI. Oh, someone's already taken that, so that's not an offer, valid offer anymore. But yeah, so that's what someone can do with it. So those are the two scripts. This first one, NIC, or the NFTs in collection, I just used that one to get the actual collection name, launcher coin ID, NFT ID, and NFT name for each of the NFTs, so that I could narrow down which ones I really wanted to make an offer file for. Yeah, so I think that'll probably be good for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more from Creator Coding.